For this question, we are going to find the equation of the parabola with vertex at -3, -5, and the y-intercept is at 0, 13. And because we're given the vertex, so of course, let's start by using the vertex form of the parabola. So let me write that down right here for you guys. And of course, this is the form that you have to remember. Okay, it says we have y is equal to a times x minus h, and then square, and then plus k. Well, when we have this right here, the h and k are exactly the vertex. So this is the h, this is the k. Therefore, we can actually just plug in these two numbers. And we will get y is equal to, and then the a we still don't know yet, so we'll just put that down. And then we have x minus h is -3. So we'll put that down right here. And then we square that, and then we add the k, which is -5. Okay, so far so good. We have this equation, but we still have to find out what a is. How can we do that? Well, this is the time that we have to use the y-intercept, because this right here tells us this is the x value and this is the y value. We can just plug in, and then that will help us to find out what a is. So 13 is going to be for y, and then we have this equal to a we don't know, and then 0 for x, so I'll just put that down. And notice that we have minus times minus, so that will give us plus, and then the 3 here, and then square, and then plus a -5, it's the same as just -5. Okay, so now we can just solve this equation. Check this out. This is just 3 square, which is just 9, so this is 13 equals 9 times a, and then -5. And now we can just solve this the usual way, add a 5 on both sides. So you can see this and that will cancel, and then we get 9a. Let me write that down first, and then 13 plus 5 is 18, and then divide both sides by 9. And we'll get a is equal to 2. Very nice. So we can actually just come here and say the equation should be y equals a is 2. So we can just put that right here. And then times, well, x minus -3, so it's just x plus 3. And then square and plus -5, it's the same as just -5. However, we're not done yet because this is not one of the answer choices. But don't worry, all we have to do is just expand this and then combine the terms and see which answer will match with our result. That's all. So, keep in mind, we have to do this part first, right? So let's do this right here. When we have -3, when we have x plus 3 square, we just multiply it up again. And we see that x times x is x squared. And then x times 3 is plus 3x. So let me put that down. And then this right here is just another plus 3x. Altogether, we get plus 6x. And lastly, 3 times 3 is 9. So we have the plus 9 here. Good. Okay, so now we can come back here and say this is 2 times all that stuff, which is x squared plus 6x plus 9, and then minus 5. Right? This thing squared is equal to that. Well, finally, we just have to distribute the 2 and then combine as much as possible after that, right? So we see this right here is 2x squared, and then this right here is plus 12x, and then this right here is plus 18. And then, don't forget we still have the minus 5. So, we will have to do plus 18 minus 5, which is plus 13. So finally, I'll just put down y right here. Y is equal to 2x squared plus 12x, and then plus 13. So this right here will be the equation for the parabola with vertex at -3, -5, and the y-intercept is at 0, 13. So that's it.